Yep.
All right, thanks, bud. So what we've got here is the force plate program that we've written in LabVIEW that you're going to be utilizing for the biomechanics lab. So it's going to say force plate lab with peak detect, data simplified. Now, connects via USB to what's known as the DAC. On the other side of the DAC, you'll see a light on that lets you know it's working, and then hopefully it's plugged in all the way over to our wonderful force plates. So, from here, in order to make this run, we're going to hit the play button. Have the file named appropriately to whatever you want, and then go ahead and hit play. Now, we're live. So, we let this run for a few moments, because right now the force plate's empty, and then we're going to hit stop. Now, over here we have our mean force plate voltage for force plate 1, mean force plate voltage for force plate 2. We can see how this voltage is a little bit lower, so we're going to change it to that 0.899, and we're going to change this one to also go a little bit lower to the 7989, but it's not that far off. Now, at this point, we're going to have the individual that we know their body weight, who's 187, step on the force plate. Ta-da! We're going to hit play again, and now we're going to let this run for a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and hit stop. Now, force plate 1 voltage was before at 48.4899. Now it's at 52.5284. So now we're going to plug in our 0, which is 48.99, and our subject weight voltage, which is 52.5284. And then we're going to go ahead and hit play for just a second and hit stop, because then it gives us our slope voltage, which is 26.5682. So our slope 1 voltage needs to be 5682, and so does our force plate number 2. Now in a perfect world, we'll actually just put weight plates on there because people breathe and that's going to cause a little oscillation, but for what you guys are doing, that's just fine. So now you're calibrated. We'll go ahead and hit stop.